Hi guys, Dana Bingham here with your G Suite tip of the week, number 9. Organizing your Google Drive. We're going to look at folders, subfolders, colors, and emojis. In your Google Drive, you're allowed to have folders, subfolders, and individual files. If you have enough individual files that are related to one another, you may consider creating a folder and putting those files in that folder. As you can see here, I have a lot of folders, and in these folders are definitely a lot of subfolders. I haven't yet found a limit to the amount of folders I can have in my drive. Here's an example of a couple of folders within a folder to show you just one path of organization. So in my G Suite Tip of the Week folder, I have all my videos, my list of topics to cover, the Google slide deck that I use, the feedback form. So all of these files have something to do with my G Suite Tip of the Week, which is in a folder called Google. And I have everything related to Google in this folder. And then as you can see, I even have subfolders in there. And then that Google folder is in a tech folder. And I have everything EdTech related in this folder. And then of course, that tech folder goes back to my main drive folder. Another thing you can do to organize your folders is to change the color of the folder icon in your drive. All you have to do is simply right-click or two-finger click if you're on an Apple product, and then go to Change Color, and then you have quite a few different options here that you can choose. You may want to even have a system with your colors as well. For example, one of my systems for a folder that is not my folder and is just a folder from someone else that wanted to share a bunch of resources with me, I label it red. So that tells me, hey, don't mess with this folder because it's not yours. Lastly, I also use emojis for some of my folders. As you can see, some of my folder names have little emojis next to them, either in front or behind. Now there's multiple places that you can get your emojis from on the web, but I just use getemoji.com. It is free, and there are quite a wide variety of emojis on here to choose from. Now how you get that emoji in there is to right-click or two-finger click, select Rename, then you can go to your emoji site, highlight and copy, or just follow the instructions on that site on how to copy it. Click where in the title you want that emoji to appear, paste it, and you're all set. And then select OK. And as you can see, now it has changed position in my order of the folders. Special icons will go first, and then it goes by special characters, numbers, and then alphabetical order. That's all for today. Give folders, subfolders, colors, and emojis a try and let me know how it goes.